this video, I'm going to show you how you can make at least $1,000 every single week by creating a simple content ideas bank. I will guide you step by step until we finish in just 10 to 15 minutes. We are done. To make it more easier for you, I have already created these bundles for you. Just go to my description link and download it. At the end of this video, I will show you how you can use it and start making money for yourself. Okay, let's go. You will come to Chrome, click Canva. Look at the Canva here, you click it. You come to create, click create, look at it here, A4, click to bring it to this interface. Let me show you. You see this, our workplace, so this is white background. In case maybe you open it, you don't like maybe the kind of work you want to do, you don't want to use white, okay, you can just come to this color and choose any color of your choice. For example, for this tutorial to use white, you see this ruler. The essence of this ruler is just for our work to be on a straight line, because nobody wants to buy something that is not well arranged. So that is the reason why you must use ruler. Work will be on a straight line. How can you find this ruler? Come to the file, come to setting, look at it here, except show rulers and guides. Okay, thank you so much. Come to alignment. So we are going to use any of this black. You click, you turn it upside down. You scroll it up, you bring it here, come to text, click text. So we are going to type content. Okay, so we are going to change this black to white because you cannot use black on top of black, it will not pop out. For example, as you can see, so we have to highlight it. You highlight, okay, you come to this place, you change it to white, so you bring it here. Nice one. Click there again, you come to position and center it very well. Then you come back to this place, you come back to effects and choose blue, increase it so that the color will pop out very well. As you can see, color is now sharp. Come back to text, type bank, change it to purple. You come to this place again, change it to purple. You bring it here, you go to effects, come to blue, increase, you click there, then you come to position, you center it very well. Then click this one. Let's give it a little space, okay? You come to this place, just a little space. Nice one. So the next thing we are going to do is come back to alignment. You click this, you bring this here, you duplicate, you bring it down, turn it upside down. Okay, you bring it here. Nice one. Then you click, you bring it here. You click this one, you bring it here. Nice one. So you click this one, you reduce, and you bring it here. Nice one. Position it very well. Come back to text. So the things that we are going to book down now, are going to book down ideas, platform, hook and angel, and notes. This is what we are going to book down now. Ideas. Okay. We give gap 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then stretch it so that we can see what we are doing very well. Then bring it up here, increase it a little bit. So the next thing we are going to do, come back to alignment. You use this tape. We are going to use this tape. Click the tape, stretch the tape. So bring the tape here, then place this one on top. Nice one. Scrub it, scrub this one as well. So the next thing we are going to do now is to bring lines. Let's go back to alignment. You type line, look at it there, you click, you turn it. We are going to reduce this line, it's very thick, so we are going to reduce it to 1. Come to this place, tap there, as you can see it's 4. So we'll reduce it to 1. Stretch the line, we'll bring it here. You will duplicate this line, then you bring it here. It very well. Duplicate all of them, then arrange it very well like this. Then a straight line, then you bring it here. You duplicate all of them. I'm going to duplicate. You zoom it there so that you can see what you are doing. Then you bring this one. We are fixing the lines now. Okay, nice one. Our work is very neat. The next thing we are going to do text. Okay, plan. Okay, you minimize it. Okay, so we'll come back to alignment. We'll still use a tape, So this time around, I'm going to widen it a little bit. So bring it down here. Understand? Bring it down here. We'll stretch it to the end. Then let's bring this one here. Use the transparency of the tape. So the next thing we are going to do before we round up, you will come to this place. Then you will scrub it, then bring it here, reduce, then draw it to the end. Find the workplace a little bit. Scroll down, use this one, increase the size. What you have to do now is to send it back. Come to position, come to this place, send to back. Okay, you come to transparency, reduce it. Are you seeing it? Okay, make sure that it's not that visible, then minimize it. So let's just add one more thing. Change it to purple, nice one. Then bring it here. So this is how to create content idea. I'm going to show you how to export it and also show you how you can use it and make money. You will come to share, you come to download, come down to this PDF print. Do not choose any other one except this PDF print. Okay, you click this PDF print, it will be exported. Okay, let me show you where you can sell this product. Okay, very important. There's a lot of platforms that you can sell your products. You can sell it in Gumroad, Etisell, Seller, and many of them out there that you can launch your products and start selling them. So for now, I'm going to show you how you can sell it on Gumroad. Open new tab, come to this place, look at Gumroad, sign up on Gumroad. If you don't have Gumroad account, you have to sign up. I have already opened new one for my tutorial. So I just have to log in. So this is the interface of Gumroad where you will launch your product. As you can see, this is the home page. See products, collaborators, checkout, emails, workflow, sell, affiliate, analytics, payout, discovery library, and so on. So you can just come, and then you sign up with your email. So you just come to this place. Let me just walk you through. These are libraries, sales, discovery. Okay. So if you come for discovery, these are products. As you can see their prices here. Okay, their prices. Got this one. As you can see, to sell your products. Come here and search, type. As you can see, look at them. So if you just type daily content planner, look at the products there in Gumroad that you can sell. Look at this one, the price. Notion bundles, look at the price, 2.25. Look at this, look at their prices, 9.9. Look at this. Okay, so this is where you can come and launch your product and start selling it. It's simple as easy. Okay, so you make more money by selling it. So this is how it's been done. Thank you so much. Please, as I said earlier before, I have already made these bundles for you. You can go to my description link and download it. And if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Shalom.